If you just picked up Samsung's massive new flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and you want to armor it up immediately, ESR actually sent over a couple of their brand new options for the S26 Ultra, ranging from sleek matte black goodness to absolute heavy duty military grade drop protection. We're going to be breaking down the tactile button feel, those super cool hidden kickstands on the back, and everything else in between in these cases. And if you want to score one of these free for yourself, subscribe to me on YouTube, drop me a follow on X and TikTok, and just shoot me a DM on X which case you'd want for yourself. And if you live in the US, just pay for the shipping and I'll send one of these bad boys over to you. Simple as that. Now let's go ahead and break down the ESR lineup for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. All right, diving straight into the first case that ESR sent over for the brand new Galaxy S26 Ultra is the Classic Hybrid. So if you're someone who is constantly on the go, navigating a busy schedule, you need a case that easily adapts to your daily routine. ESR actually sent me all 4 colors to test out. So we have the clear version here, the clear black, which features the black colored magnetic array embedded in a clear setting. Then we have this frosted blue version, which might go pretty well with the cobalt blue color variant of the S26 Ultra we have this year. And finally, we have the frosted black version here, which is probably going to be my personal preference. I know, call me boring, but hey, it is what it is. A sleek matte finish is exactly what I look for in a case because, you guessed it, no fingerprints to constantly wipe off your phone. But I have to admit, the clear version looks incredibly good too, especially if you're trying to show off your phone's natural color. Price-wise, you're gonna get the clear version for $26.99, and the rest of the 3, the clear black, the frosted black, and the frosted blue, will retail at $29.99. Wrapping this case around the S26 Ultra's massive 6.9-inch display feels fantastic. The materials hit that real nice sweet spot, and you get a really solid premium feel in the hand with the grippy sides. And speaking of protection, it has perfectly raised edges around the screen and the camera module for some additional peace of mind. The button feel is another massive win. They are incredibly clicky and responsive, and having that sharp tactile feedback is an absolute must-have. On a side note, the buttons are not going to be textured on these cases. So yeah, I know it's a big deal for some, so just wanted to mention that. Now, one of the biggest standout features here is the magnetic ring on the back. These magnets are super strong. Like, trust me when I say this, ESR has the strongest magnets out there, no joke. I tried out my ESR magnetic wallet with this case that I reviewed not too long ago. I'll have a link to that wallet, by the way, in the description below so you can check it out. But yeah, it snaps on with some serious force, holding on to whatever you're going to be sticking onto it, your wallet, your charger, or anything else. Plus, it supports the Qi 2 wireless charging standard, so 25 watts of charging goodness, mark that as checked. But you have to make sure you have a compatible wireless charger, like this 3-in-1 Cryo Boost charger from ESR. Oh, and actually, the way that wallet solidly locks onto the back of this case is exactly how you should lock onto that subscribe button down there. It's quick, it's secure, and it ensures that you won't miss any of the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra accessory coverage. Now, moving on to the top of the phone, let's talk about protecting that quad camera setup on the back. ESR did something really clever here. Just like with the iPhone 17 Pro version, they've integrated a zinc alloy kickstand right onto the camera guard design. And I absolutely love the way it looks and how flush it sits against the device. But a small downside of having it up there is that the kickstand only works in landscape orientation. It's perfect for if you're taking a lunch break and you want to kick back, watch a YouTube video or something. But if you're trying to prop it up vertically to scroll through some shorts or take a video call, you're going to be out of luck. It's a slight bummer, but honestly, the seamless integration into the camera layout almost kind of makes up for it. So if you want to grab the Classic Hybrid to protect your Galaxy S26 Ultra and help support the channel, hit the link down in the description. I'll have my 25% off coupon code down there as well, which works site-wide. Moving right along to the second case we have is the ESR Cyber series, also known as their Tough Armor kickstand case. And ESR sent over both of the black and the olive green version, and I believe there's a blue version as well. And I have to admit, the olive green gives it a really cool, rugged vibe. But you guys know I always have to gravitate towards the stealthy matte black finish because it totally repels the fingerprints. And before we get into the details of the case, let's talk about the price real fast. The black color variant will cost you about $29.99, but the blue and the olive green color variants get up to $31.99, which is an absolute steal for the level of heavy duty protection you get with these cases. Now let's break it down. This case features a multi-layer shock absorbing design that gives you serious drop protection. But even with that rugged build, it still feels surprisingly great in the hand. The raised edges are incredibly pronounced here, giving you a massive lip over the screen and even deeper raised guard around the back to protect that quad camera setup. Down at the bottom, ESR added some awesome extra armor as well. You've got a dedicated USB-C port cover and a built-in metal mesh for the bottom speaker. This is huge for keeping out pocket lint, dust, and small debris over time without muffling your audio quality. And the button feel? Absolute perfection. I prefer click-here buttons, especially on a tougher case, and it's so hard to implement, but the tactile feedback here is incredibly sharp and super satisfying. Now, just like the previous case, the Cyber series also features those incredibly strong magnets on the back. So it's fully compatible with all your magnetic accessories, chargers, and that ESR wallet that I mentioned earlier. They also included their stash stand integrated right around the camera module, which doubles up as a kickstand. There's not many rugged cases out there that do what this case does. Having an ultra tough case that still gives you a sleek, flush kickstand without adding a massive annoying bump to the back is a huge design win in my books. And if you want to armor up your S26 Ultra with the Cyber series, you know where to go. Down in the description is going to be my affiliate link along with the 15% discount code. All right, that's going to wrap up my look at the ESR lineup for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Just a quick reminder about the giveaway. If you want to claim one of these cases, make sure you're subscribed to the channel on YouTube, follow me over on X and TikTok, and shoot me a DM on X. It's strictly first come, first served, and if you're in the US, just cover the shipping and I'll send one of these guys over to you. And if you happen to miss out on the giveaway or you want to pick up the ESR magnetic wallet we talked about in the video earlier, I've dropped my affiliate links down in the description along with the discount code. Using those links is the best way to support the channel so I can keep bringing you guys the reviews and giveaways in the future as well. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Drop a like if this video helped you decide which case you're going to be buying for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.